Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. Okay, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into today's video, I would like to let you know that if you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. There is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos, do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out some of these assets right away, and of course everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing my videos. Okay, if you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. So guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000. I'm using the 3M chain Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here, and right from this resistance zone it started a downtrend. You can see the red flag and of course the red arrow, which signifies a downtrend and a sell signal, and of course kept on selling, got to this support zone, had a pullback, but went back down to break out below that support zone, and of course it got to a new support zone around there and it was unable to break out below it, so it started buying, got to this resistance zone, was unable to go above it, so it is selling at the moment. So this is selling at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity until it's unable to go below the next support zone. That is when it will try out buying again. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500, and of course this started a downtrend right from here, got here and had a pullback, a major one, and had another sell signal around there and the downtrend, so it broke out below the support zone this time around, and of course got to a new support zone, and of course this is still selling at the moment, but if it's unable to break out below this particular support zone, then definitely it's going to go back on a buy trend, but it is still selling at the moment. Okay, this might not be for long if it's unable to break out below that support zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. It has been on uptrend for a while, got to the resistance zone, was unable to go above that, so it started selling right from there. This gave us a downtrend signal around there and it has been selling since then. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Crash 500 had been on a very strong uptrend, even though it played around this resistance zone for a while, but it broke out above it later on to buy more. Okay, it will be heading on to the next resistance zone. If it breaks out above that, it will keep on buying, but if it does not, it will go back on a sell trend. But for now, this is still buying. Okay, so the next asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. This is volatility 75, and it had been on downtrend for a very long time, even though it had a major pullback around there, but still gave us downtrend signal and a sell signal around there, which sold for a very long time, broke out below this support zone, and of course heading towards the next support zone. If it's unable to break out from there, it will go back on buy trend, but if it breaks out below the support zone, then it will keep on selling. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment, so we should take note of that. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. If you are joining me live and direct, I will advise you to follow the instructions so that you can milk the market successfully. And if you are yet to subscribe, if you are still having issue trading successfully, then definitely I will advise you to go back to my channel, watch my strategies, and of course practice very well on your demo account. You can also come to my DM on WhatsApp and ask your question if you have anything confusing you right there. Ask your question. It is only when you ask question that you will be able to know the answer to whatever stuff that is bothering you within the trading platform. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.